Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this body wave U-part wig install from SHEIN Hair and talk about their Black Friday sale. So if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys SHEIN's body wave U-part wig, and this is in 22 inches and it's 180% density. And currently for Black Friday, SHEIN is doing buy one get one on their human hair wigs, which is a great deal. And then plus SHEIN's wigs are really affordable. So I already wore this hair yesterday. It was really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So it does come in this pretty pink packaging, and once again, this is human hair and very affordable. This wig goes for around $100. So this is it. It's body wave. If you guys have been a subscriber for a long time, you guys know body wave is one of my favorite textures. So when I did receive this hair, it did have a net on it that you did have to cut out. I'll insert a clip so you guys could see what that looked like prior to me cutting it out, but all you do is just cut the lace off, and so this is what it looks like once I cut it. It does have two clips on the side. It has these clips here as well, just snap-on clips, and it does have one large clip in the back. So the construction of it was really good, and I will insert a clip of how it looked when I originally put it on with just the body wave texture. What I want to do with this hair is actually curl it and wear it instead of just the body wave. And I love how flat it lays on my head, and I love that it was a good density. It wasn't too full, it wasn't too thin. And then also in here it does come with a baby hair brush with a wig cap, and one of the wig caps is still already on my hair. So to prep for this style, I do have it in two braids. I just have a braid on this side, a braid on this side, and I did a U-part shape, and then I just blow dried and straightened my hair. And then last night I just, for my leave out, I put it in a braid and just unraveled it, and that's why it kind of has this crinkly wave look. But I'm going to go ahead and unsnap these. I'm probably not going to keep that crinkle wave look. I'm probably going to straighten it again. So just attach it on. Super simple install. And then put my combs. It was so comfortable, guys. It didn't feel too tight. And comb in the back. I was really impressed for this to be a SHEIN wig. Like, really impressed. So yeah, I only wore the hair one time. I wore it yesterday, but this is what it looks like. Really pretty. And then I just did a middle part on my hair, and I did the perfect amount of leave out as well. I was really happy about that, because sometimes you can do too much or sometimes you can do too little. You want to get the right amount. So fast and simple, especially for mom life. Like, I'm a mom now and I don't have time to fully straighten my whole head of hair half the time, and this just makes it so much easier to install a U-part wig. I haven't seen no shedding either. Really nice quality. Like, so easy, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw some curls in this hair and see how it looks. Okay guys, so I just finished throwing some curls in it, and I will insert a clip of me just throwing some little loose curls in with the flat iron. And then I also just curled my leave out a little bit, and I think it looks so good. I really love this hair from SHEIN. Like, they really did their thing. It's so soft, So pretty. You can easily curl it, like really good quality. I am going to show you guys the free wig that I got. I'm not going to do an install on it, but I'm just going to show you guys the hair, and just for description so you guys know, it's like a curly pixie cut type of wig. So it's their 8-inch pixie cut glueless wig in human hair. So let me show you. Okay, so guys, this is the other hair. So it comes in the same kind of box. In here, it also comes with the melt band for the glueless install, wig caps, and yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all this hair. And comment if you guys do want me to do an install video. So it does come in the net, and it has the tags attached. This is how this hair came as well. It comes with the SHEIN tags attached, and then you have like this little thing inside. But this is the hair, and it's like a curly pixie cut. It kind of has like a bang to it. So that's the hair, y'all. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I will have this hair linked in the description box below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.